we're still at a point where there is obviously a need for the diagnostic industry and the pharmaceutical industry to converge in a way that works for patients. That convergence is still not seamless. There is still a lack of understanding amongst both sides in terms of how each other's business model works. And there's key issues there. For instance, a diagnostic company might make $30 profit on a test at best, versus a pharmaceutical company who, in the eyes of the diagnostic company, might be making a lot of money, but of course they have significant costs in terms of development, etc. So I think that's a real challenge, in that there's potentially a lack of trust there between the diagnostic industry and the pharma industry. Where labs fit in that is somewhat unknown. We often talk about them as the forgotten stakeholder. And they're actually the key stakeholder, because they're engaging with your clients as a physician. They're engaging with patients in terms of how testing is provided. So I think until those key stakeholders at least find a better model, and we're at the forefront of trying to better that and bring that to a place where it's commercializable, we'll continue to wrangle and positions. I also think that precision medicine in itself is still in its infancy. Our understanding of genetic drivers of disease and how we can apply that in an existing regulatory framework or an existing reimbursement framework, those models are going to have to evolve to allow for a broader think around how we get patients on drug based on the genetic makeup of their disease, as opposed to, this patient has an EGFR mutation in lung tissue, they go onto this drug.